everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 1, sources of food. So let's start with what is food. The material or substance which we eat is called food. It provides us energy for various activities of the body and for growth and development, and also to protect us body from diseases and keep it healthy. It also repair the injured body parts. There are so many food varieties which we take as a food item. Next is food ingredients. Ingredients means the material which are used to prepare food items. The substances or the things which are included in a food item are known as ingredients. For example, in roti or making chapati, ingredients atta, that is flour and water is used, and for making rice grains and water is used. So in these examples, to make chapati or roti, atta and water is a ingredient. Food eaten by animals. All living things need food to remain alive, and animals, including human beings, on the other hand, cannot produce or prepare their own food. We animals or humans depend on other plants and or animals for our food. On the basis of food eaten, the animals are classified into three categories. First is herbivores. Herbivorous animals eats only plants. For example, cow, buffalo, horse, deer, goat, and elephant are herbivores. Next is carnivores. Carnivores are the animals that eat other animals, or we can say that they eat meat products, like for example lion, tiger, dog, jackal. These all are carnivorous animals. Next come to omnivorous. Omnivorous animals eat both plants as well as animals. For example, human being, crow, cockroach, and squirrel are omnivorous animals. Next come to sources of food. There are basically two sources of food, plants and animals. Plants as a source of food. Plants are also known as producers because they prepare their own food and also provide us food. Different plant parts from which food is obtained are the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, seeds, and fruit. The plant part which is used by us to eat is called edible part. Food items obtained from plants are cereals, that is wheat, rice, and maize, pulses, that is soya bean, gram, groundnut, vegetables like potato, onion, spinach, tomato, fruits like banana, apple, mango, grape, orange, pineapple, etc. Sugar we get from sugarcane plant, and oil like mustard oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, etc. And spices like turmeric, chili, ginger, saunf, fennel, elaichi, or cardamom. So let's start with the various plant parts which are eaten as a food items. For example, in potatoes, onion, ginger, and garlic, we eat the stem of a plant, and in case of carrot, radish, turnip, and sweet potatoes, we eat root. Now next comes to, in case of leaves, we eat spinach, fenugreek, cabbage, and mustard. And in case of flowers, we use it as a food item: rose, cauliflower, broccoli. And in case of seeds, green gram, that is moong, kidney beans, that is rajma, and next is corn and wheat. Similarly, in case of fruits, we take banana, apple, mango, grapes, orange, and pineapple. So these are the various food items taken from a different plant parts. Now next comes to sprouts. Sprouts are small white structures which come out of the seeds. In easy or in common terms, we can say the sprouted seeds are the germinated seeds which we eat as a salad or as a other food item. Now next comes to animals as a source of food. Earlier we discussed the plants as a source of food, and now we are going to discuss animals as a source of food. The various food products which we take from the animals are like, first example is eggs, which are taken from hen or duck, and the source for meat is sheep, goat, chicken and fish. And source for honey is honeybees. Honey is stored in the beehive. Beehives are the nest of bees. And milk is taken from cow, buffalo and goat. In this we are going to discuss the dairy products as well as poultry products also. In dairy products, all the products which are made up of milk are known as dairy products. For example, paneer, cheese, butter, ghee and curd. Animals which provide meat and egg are called poultry, and poultry products are rich in proteins. Now next comes to honey. Honey is a sweet liquid produced by honeybees from the nectar. Nectar is a sweet juice produced by flowers. It consists of sugar, water, minerals and enzymes. Honey is stored in the beehives. The commercial use of honey, or the we can say the business or the process in which we collect the honey from the honeybees nectar, is known as beekeeping or apiculture. With this we are done with the chapter number 1, that is sources of food. Now in next lecture we will discuss chapter number 2. Thank you.